An account closed message in the Dave app usually means the system has permanently disabled access due to verification issues, policy violations, or repeated security flags, not a temporary glitch. By the end, you'll know exactly why the account gets closed, what can still be recovered, and what steps actually work inside the Dave system when access is already restricted. The most common reason is failed identity verification. If the system cannot confirm your legal name, address, or identity documents, it may close the account instead of keeping it restricted. This is a permanent action in most cases because the account cannot pass compliance checks. Another cause is suspected fraudulent or high-risk activity. That includes repeated failed login attempts, inconsistent account information, or activity that looks like unauthorized access. When these patterns stack up, the system can shut down the account entirely instead of keeping it active with limits. Account closure can also happen if terms of service are violated. That includes attempting to create multiple accounts, using false information, or activity that conflicts with platform rules. Once flagged, the closure is usually final from the system side. In some cases, the account is closed due to linked banking or repayment issues. If deposits fail repeatedly, or linked payment methods cannot be verified, the system may remove access to prevent further transactions. To fix it, start by checking the email linked to your account for any official closure notice. That message usually explains whether the closure is final or eligible for review. Next, open the app and attempt a login to see if there is an appeal or verification option. If an appeal option exists, complete it with accurate identity documents exactly as requested. Mismatched information is one of the most common reasons appeals fail. If no appeal option is available, contact in-app support and request a manual review of the closure reason. Support can confirm whether the account is permanently closed or if limited reinstatement is possible. If the closure is permanent, the only option is to open a new account, but only after resolving the original issue that caused the shutdown. Otherwise, the new account may be flagged again and closed automatically. Avoid creating multiple accounts immediately after closure, since that often triggers additional system blocks. To sum it up, account closures usually come from failed identity verification, security risk flags, or policy violations. The fastest action is checking your closure notice, submitting a review if available, and contacting support for confirmation of account status. The next step is to check your email and app login screen so you can see whether your account is eligible for appeal or permanently closed. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of financial app issues that usually feel confusing but follow simple system rules once you understand them.